In this lesson, we will explore qualitative forecasting approaches, techniques that rely on human judgment, expertise, and experience rather than purely numerical data. These methods are especially useful when historical data is limited or unavailable, such as when launching new products, entering new markets, or dealing with unprecedented changes in consumer behavior. Qualitative forecasting focuses on understanding the factors influencing demand and using expert insights to predict future trends. Unlike quantitative methods, which rely on mathematical models, qualitative approaches draw from human perception, intuition, and market knowledge. They are particularly valuable in industries where trends shift rapidly or where innovation plays a major role. One of the most well-known qualitative forecasting techniques is the Delphi method. This structured approach gathers insights from a panel of experts through a series of questionnaires. Each expert provides their opinion independently, and after each round, a summary of responses is shared anonymously. Experts can then revise their estimates based on the group's feedback. This iterative process continues until a consensus is reached. The Delphi method helps reduce individual bias and leverages collective intelligence to arrive at reliable forecasts. Another popular approach is market research and surveys. This technique collects data directly from consumers or business customers through questionnaires, focus groups, or interviews. Surveys help companies gauge potential demand, understand buying behavior, and test customer reactions to new products or services. For example, a company launching a new smartphone might survey consumers about their preferences for features, price, and design before deciding on production quantities. The jury of executive opinion method is another widely used qualitative tool. It involves gathering forecasts from a group of senior managers, executives, or subject matter experts within the organization. Their collective judgment is then averaged to produce a forecast. This method is quick and efficient, especially when time is limited, but it can be influenced by dominant personalities if not properly facilitated. Salesforce Composite is a forecasting approach that uses input from the sales team. Because sales representatives interact directly with customers, they often have first-hand knowledge of changing preferences, competitor activities, and market conditions. By compiling sales forecasts from multiple regions or teams, companies can create a bottom-up view of future demand. This approach promotes collaboration and ensures that forecasts reflect real-world market conditions. Another qualitative method is scenario building, where organizations create multiple plausible future scenarios based on different assumptions about market trends, technology, or policy changes. For example, a company might create optimistic, moderate, and pessimistic demand scenarios depending on economic forecasts or regulatory developments. Scenario planning helps businesses prepare for uncertainty and develop flexible strategies that can adapt to different outcomes. Expert opinion is also a foundational qualitative forecasting technique. When specific domain knowledge is critical, such as forecasting demand for emerging technologies or fashion trends, experts provide valuable insights that data alone cannot capture. These opinions can come from internal specialists, consultants, or academic researchers. New product forecasting often depends heavily on qualitative methods since no historical data exists for entirely new items. Companies rely on market analogies, expert evaluations, and early customer feedback to estimate potential demand. For instance, the expected sales of an electric vehicle model might be based on past data from similar hybrid vehicles combined with expert insights about market adoption trends. While qualitative forecasting methods offer flexibility and creativity, they also have limitations. Because they rely on human judgment, they can be influenced by bias, overconfidence, or groupthink. To improve accuracy, many organizations combine qualitative insights with quantitative data, an approach known as hybrid forecasting. This combination allows businesses to capture both measurable trends and nuanced human perspectives. In summary, qualitative forecasting approaches are invaluable tools for strategic decision-making, especially when data is scarce or when anticipating changes driven by innovation and consumer sentiment. By leveraging expert judgment, customer insights, and scenario analysis, organizations can make more informed decisions and stay adaptable in an uncertain marketplace. These methods remind us that while data is powerful, human experience and intuition remain essential in understanding the ever-changing landscape of demand.